Terra Luna, price prediction, and technical analysis. We'll also go over market sentiment and see what the community has to say in response to some price action that I'm noticing that got me a little bit excited. All right, so we're going to take a look at this. But first, welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. I'm going to show you guys something that I noticed in the price. But first, I want to go what the community has to say. It says gravity is real. You can try to report this post nonstop, but it won't change the effect gravity has on this scam. All you guys that just bought more, made yourself exit liquidity, smooth move, time for Luna, and Luna C to add a digit. So we got somebody that's not too happy. Obviously, we got a lot of people that are not happy. But right now, I'm noticing something in the market. We see support right here 2 times, right? And another support. We're going to dive a little bit deeper into this. I want you guys to leave some comments down below. If you're, trading, are you doing gap and go trading on Luna? Are you capitalizing on this? So this red line that I added right here is the 99 moving average. And we can see that along this way, it's where we continue to have problems or a false breakout. As we can see down here, we had a false breakout. Luna also pulled back right here. We're going to call it at $2.06. And it actually pulled back down to like $1.98. I've been watching it when it got close to this range right here where this wick came down to. Okay, so that wick was about $3.86, right? So we see that after it wicked down to $3.86, it had the power to go all the way up to about almost 12 bucks. So when we were trading sideways and we kept losing the support levels, I was keeping a close eye to see if it was going to make it down to this level again and do, a pattern. That's what these things do a lot of times. But we lost that support. And that tends to happen to a token or a coin or anything that's going on that loses the fundamentals and it's all over the place, right? But still, is it something that I would not trade? I'm starting to look at it as a possible trade now that I'm looking at, is this the bottom Luna? This could be the bottom. This could be Terra Luna's bottom right here. And we see the first attempt of a false breakout over this 99 moving average. And we're dancing with that line right now. We're going to layer this chart up, of course, and see what's going on. So we're working our way back underneath it. Of course, these are shorter time frames on the 15-minute chart. But as we can see, this line has barely been, let's zoom out a little bit. This line has barely been added to the chart. And it's something that we respect. We either false breakout. So it's something that I'm watching very closely. On the higher time frames, I want to see us be able to roll out. On the lower time frames, we're going to be going above it, underneath it. But it's interesting to me on the 30-minute time frame how, the line, basically it's right on point with all the times that we were rejected, even according with the resistant lines that we have placed on prior videos, adding this 99 moving average right here. These are areas that we've had trouble. We can even see that to be so by adding another horizontal line right here that we have right there. And you can see that because this horizontal line is a support. So this is that channel that we're fighting right now and a false breakout. And that support and resistance right here, it was a support here. We lost it. It turned into a resistance where we tapped 2 times right here. And we can see that it goes along with that 99 moving average where we eventually even have a false breakout in this area or where the price is actually rejected on the 30-minute chart. So I would like to see if maybe this is going to reset one more time. Maybe the price coming down to the 2-minute, or disregard that, to the $2.06 and showing us that we can hold above this. I don't trust that it just did it one time, to be honest with everybody here. I want to see it to hold twice. Of course, none of this is financial advice, but I want to see that it proves to me, or it's telling me that, hey, even if it comes back down and it doesn't break the 99 moving average, but it would look like it would almost line itself up to tap one more time and then break out of it with a nice little squeeze right there. And then having a breakout that I think will happen relatively fast, especially with people saying that, it's done and over with. Usually that's when it just snaps people's necks out of nowhere, when everybody thinks that it's flatline, when it's completely done and over with, and that it's all gone and done. But this thing's still being traded on Binance. It's still being traded on major exchanges. It's not going to let me sleep on this one, and I am keeping a close eye on Luna Classic as well. I don't think that one has as much potential as Terra Luna, and Terra Luna really has the volume in order to trade and also to make some decent breakouts that I think we're going to see some decent breakouts in the near future when it comes to Terra Luna 2.0. If you guys want to see some videos on Terra Classic, I don't feel as optimistic on that one. Of course, not financial advice, but let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see some videos on Terra Luna Classic. I think that one would need to see a lot more volume. But as far as Terra Luna goes 2.0, this one, I'm pretty optimistic on this one. This one still has a lot of potential. The volume is still there. I want to see what you guys think about this one down in the comments. So until next time, go ahead and continue to experience the abundance of money with me. Later.